Good day, everyone. My name is Gabriel Concepcion from BSS 2B. This is my activity to data structure and algorithms, linear data structure list using assign implementation, which is linked list. So let's proceed. So this is my code. So when we run this code, this will be the result. So let's run it. Let's try how this program work. So we have 10 choices here, data and menu. So let's try the zero, the exit first. Choice zero, exit. This function po ay nag-i-end ng program. Ang process naman ito ay it prompt the user to confirm if gusto niya na mag-exit. It confirm or the user put yes, it display thank you and mag-end na and terminate. If not naman confirm or put no, the menu reappears po. So let's try it to our code to Pydroid. So let's try it. So enter your choice, we put 0. So are you sure you want to exit? If we don't want to exit, put no. So the menu reappears. So let's try if we want to exit, we put yes. So enter your choice 0. Are you sure you want to exit? We put yes. So it display thank you message. So and it terminates. Next, itong menu 1, insert at start. Sa choice 1 naman, it insert at start. Itong function na to ay nag-a-add siya ng nodes to the specified value on the list. Ang process niya ay the user is prompted to enter a value. Itong value na to ay inserted at the start of the list and a success message is displayed. So let's try it to our code. Let's run it. Enter your choice. We put 1. The one is insert at start. So enter a value to insert to start. Enter your value you want. So let's say I put 8. So 8 has been successfully inserted at the start. So yung 8 daw is na-insert na doon sa start ng list. Next is menu 2, insert at end. So sa choice 2 naman, ang function nito ay same lang sa choice 1, but sa end siya ng list nag-a-add. Yung choice 1 kasi sa start ng list siya nag-a-add, di ba? And ang process naman ito ay same din sa choice 1. Yung user is prompted to enter a value, then itong value na to ay may insert at the end of the list and a success message is displayed then. Let's try it to our code and run it. So let's try the choice 2, insert at end. So enter your choice, we put 2. So enter a value to insert at end. So value na gusto niyo na mapunta sa end ng list. So let's try 4. Kasi kanina 8, di ba? So 4. So 4 has been successfully inserted at the end. So yung 4 is na-insert na siya sa end ng list. Next is choice 3 or menu 3, insert at position. Ang function nito ay same din sa choice 1 and choice 2. Kasi yung choice 1 kanina, di ba, yung pag nag-insert ka, mag-a-add sa start. Yung choice 2 naman, mag-a-add naman sa end. So itong choice 3, insert at position, ito naman is mag-a-add siya ng nodes to specified value at given position kung saan mo gustong ilagay. So ang process naman ito, user enter about the value and the position where the node should be inserted. The node is placed at the specified position and a success message ang lalabas. if position is valid, an error message is shown or lalabas. So let's try it to our code. Let's run it po. So lagay mo natin yung kanina, yung mga values natin kanina, yung sa in choice 1 and 2. So choice 1, nilagay natin kanina is 8. 8 na successfully inserted at the start. Yung choice 2 naman, yung kanina nilagay natin is 4. So enter your value to insert at the end. So 4. Successful message na. So let's try the choice 3. So insert position. Enter your choice 3. Enter the value to insert. Kung ano gusto mo. Let's say 6 ngaya. Kung saan mo siya. Tapos enter your position kung saan mo siya ilagay. So ang position kasi ng itong 8 is 0. Itong 4 naman is nasa 1. So let's ilagay natin siya sa gitna ng 8 and 4. So we put 1 para mausog yung 4 para malagay siya sa gitna. So 6 has been inserted at position 1. So ang 8 is nasa position 0. Ang 4 nasa position 2 na. And ang 6 is na sa position 1. Next is choice 4 or menu 4. Delete at start. Ang function nito is to delete the node at the beginning of the list. Kapag yung list ay may laman or list is not empty, the node at the start is removed and success message is displayed po. Kapag naman wala laman yung list, may error message na lalabas po. Let's try to our code po. So let's try it po. Since may value na tayo na 8, 4 and 6, so let's try this menu 4. Delete as start. Kung madi-delete yung nasa start natin, which is the 8. So enter your choice 4. So node at the start has been successfully deleted. Ibig sabihin, yung nasa start natin na node is, which is the number 8, madi-delete na yon. Next naman is choice 5 or menu 5. Delete at end. Kabaliktaran lang siya ng choice 4, yung delete first, di ba? So kung kung yung choice 4 is nade-delete siya sa start, ito naman na choice 5 is nade-delete siya sa hulihan. Kapag yung list ay may laman, the node at the end is removed and a success message is displayed. May lalabas na success message. Kapag naman wala laman yung list, may error message na lalabas. Try natin sa code natin yung choice 5, delete at the end. Kanina may value tayo na 8, 6, and 4. So since yung ginamit natin yung menu 4, delete at start, so na-delete yung start, which is 8, na-delete na. So try naman natin ang menu 5, delete at the end. Kung madi-delete, ang madi-delete dito is 4 kasi siya yung nasa last. So enter your choice and 5, delete at end. So sabi dito, note at the end has been successfully deleted. So na-delete na yung 4 sa, which is siya yung kasi yung nasa hulihan ng list. Next naman ang choice 6 or menu 6, delete at position. Ang function naman ito ay nagde-delete siya ng node at a specified position or kung anong gusto mo tanggalin sa list, anong position. Ang process nito ay ang user provides a position of the node to be deleted and the node at specified position is removed po. And a success message is ang lalabas. And if composition po is invalid or out of bounds, an error message po is shown. Try po natin siya dito sa code natin. Di ba kanina may value tayo ng 8, 6, and 4. Since na-delete na yung 8, kasi siya yung nasa start, ginamit natin kanina yung number 4, men of 4, and ginamit natin yung men of 5, delete at end, so na-delete na din yung nasa last, which is number 4. So 6 na lang ang titira natin. Yung 6 natin is nasa value siya na, ang value yung 6 natin nasa 0 na siya, index 0 na. So gamitin natin tong number 6, enter your choice 6. Ang 6 natin is delete at position. So enter position, since nasa position 0 na si 6 kasi nag-iisa na siya, enter natin yung position na 6. So note that the start has been successfully deleted. So since nasa start siya kasi siya na lang nag-iisa, na-delete na daw siya, so wala na tayong value, lahat na delete. Next natin is menu 7 or choice 7, delete number. Ang function naman nito is i-delete niya yung node at a specified value, kung ano yung gusto mo ma-delete na number. Ang process nito ay the user enter a number or enter a value to be deleted. If yung value is founded sa node, madi-delete po yun and a success message is display. If the value is not found, an error message po ang lalabas. So try natin yung choice 7. So choice 7 dito is delete number. Since kanina kasi na-delete na natin yung lahat ng value natin, di ba? So gagawa na lang tayo ulit. So kunyari insert tayo sa start. Lagyan natin 2. So insert tayo sa end ng 14 ngaya. So may value na tayo na 2 and 14. So let's isa pa. So insert natin at position sa enter choice 3. So insert value, kunyari 25 lagay natin. So sa position 2 natin siya lagay. So may value na tayo na 2, 14, and 25. So dito na gamitin natin yung hinahanap natin yung delete number, yung choice 7 or minus 7. So delete number, nakalagay dito enter value to delete. Kung ano daw yung number na gusto mo ma-delete, yung value. Di ba may value tayo na 2, 14, and 25. So kunyari delete natin yung 25. Lagay natin enter value to delete 25. So nakalagay dito 25 has been successfully deleted. Di ba may value tayo na 2, 14, and 25. So dinelete natin yung 25. Kaya ang value na lang natin is 2 and 14. Next natin is choice 8, search number. Ang function nito is search for the node with a specified value. User enter the value to be searched. If found, the position of the node is displayed po. If not found naman, the message indicating that the value is not present is shown po. So, try natin yung search number, yung menu 8 search number po. So, di ba kanina may value tayo na 2, 14, and 25. Since ginamit natin si menu 7, delete number, and dinelete natin yung 25, natitira na lang is 14, di ba? So, ang masa-search na lang natin is 2 and 14. So, yun. So try natin para mas maintindihan nyo. So, 8, menu 8, the search number. So, nakalagay dito, enter value to search. Natitira na lang natin na value is 2 and 14, di ba? Lagay natin, i-search nga natin si 2. So, nakalagay dyan, value is found at position 2. Di ba ang value 2 natin is nasa position 0? So, ang nakalagay dito is value is found at position 0. So, next natin is menu number 9 or choice 9. Display number at position. Ang function po ito is it display the value of the node at a specified position po. When you enters the position, if valid, the value at the position is displayed po. If position is out of bounds, an error message po is lalabas. So, try natin yung menu number 9, display number at position po. Ang natitira na lang natin na value is 2 and 4, di ba? Yung 2 is nasa position 0 siya, yung 14 nasa position 1. So, try natin. Enter your choice, 9. Enter position to display. Kunyari, i-display natin is yung 2, nasa position 0 siya, ilalagay natin 0. So, number at position 0 is 2 daw. So, try natin yung position 1, 9, enter your choice 9, enter position, so position 1, ang lalabas is number at position 1 is 14, di ba? Kasi yung value natin is 2 and 14. Yung 2 is nasa position 0, and yung 14 nasa position 14. Choice 10 or menu 10, display list. Ang function po nito is display all the values in the list po. It iterates through the list and ipiprint niya yung values niya in sequence po. And if the list is empty po, a message indicating the list is empty is displayed. Pag may laman naman siya, i-display niya yung value niya in sequence. Try natin tong last is menu number 10, display list. Ito po ay para dumisplay yung lahat. So ang natitira lang natin na value is 2 and 14, di ba? So pag ginamit natin ang menu number 10 is yun yung magdi-display. So try natin, enter your choice, 10. So nakalagay dito, enter your choice. Ang natitirang value is 2 and 14. So nakalagay dito is 2 and 14. Yung 2 is nasa position 0 and 14 is nasa position 1. So that is the 10 menu. So that's all. And that's how my code work. So thank you po.